How to reset secure folders, PIN, password, and patterns in Samsung phones. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can fix your secure folder problem in your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your secure folder application. You will see a page like this. Now at this page, tap on Forgot Password on your top right. Here, enter your security details. In my case, this is my birthplace. You might have set this while creating your PIN on secure folder and enter your new password. Now once you do so, it will automatically open your secure folder, and just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.